Trade ideas from bad traders with your hosts, Mr. Fadiv over here and myself, James. Are you ready for this, Ivan?
I'm ready. Let's
are.
jump into it.
All right. Let's make sure we get a good timestamp here. All right. Let's get right into it. So first off, we got some ZC. And this, I have an article. My bad. I have an article that I want to go over that kind of like puts in perspective my thesis on this trade right here. So corn, I'll click that article after I'm done with the slideshow. I should have done it before, but whatever. So corn's been getting beaten down recently. Just lower demand. Not as the demand isn't where it was expected to be. I think higher supply as well, just across a lot of agricultural, like not even the U.S. country or worldwide and whatever. So corn's been getting beaten down. It's like at the lowest point it's been, and just dragging the broader grain commodity market lower. It's got a low IV rank of 18, trading for 487 when I wrote this. The expected move for the 52 days are plus or minus $25.07 of a dollar, or 88 cents pretty much. So upper bound of 513 pretty much, and 461. So I'm selling a put vertical here. It's a neutral bullish assumption, selling into the downward move. 3-1 with a 78% probability to profit on a span margin product. Looking for $100 or $2 on the product. It's a $50 per point multiplier. So looking for $100 or better for credit. Aiming for 50% return on 50% of the max profit. Keep in mind the fees when they add up from trading these futures. With many legs on the futures, the fees will add up. This is how it looks on Tasty, and let me say, Tasty updated their platform, and I'm loving the new layout that they got here.
What do they do?
The colors are looking more slick. It's looking more what's the word? Just like I get that vibe that I'm not going to lose as much money as I do. You know what I mean? One of those vibes.
Yeah, just like the casino when they get brand new fresh carpets.
When they buy a brand new modern roulette wheel, and you really see that black.
You can feel the velvet on the table.
When they update their chips to have just the right amount of clickety clack. You know what I mean?
They update the chips so they make sure they have all the crusty gum residue and fucking boogers on it.
Wait, were you there when that happened to me? I put a chip in my pocket and I pulled it out, had my stick of gum on it.
No, but I've been like when we play poker, you just walk in there and there's just fucking gunk on all the chips, man.
Well,
someone loves.
Good thing we're talking about the casino, man, because you owe me the Marlboro Red 100 shirt from the original trade on copper. Is that going to be my Christmas gift? Because we got to run to the casino and rip that. You know what I mean? Because we got to go back with the copper futures. There's another vol trade potential in the copper futures. We've done it before. It's a 55 IV rank. I think I didn't put the IV rank on here for some reason. It's a 55 IV rank, I believe. Or actually, no, 59. Here, I'm going to look it up real quick and tell you. HG. It's 60 IV rank, 59.9. Okay, I just had to look it up real quick. So yeah, we recently traded the copper futures play a couple months ago.
We did.
So right now it's trading for 378.8 with an expected move of about 18 cents. That puts the short strikes at about I think I'm a little bit further out, just a little bit of room, just right on the edge of that expected move. $4 and $3.60, the $4 call shorting and the $3.60 put shorting with protective wings, 10 cents either way. It's an expensive commission considering it's a four-legged futures trade, but where else are you going to get that span margin?
Nowhere else, James.
1-to-1 on BPR after fees, $600 in credit approximately with a $600 BPR, 61% probability of profit. This is misleading a little bit because your maximum loss is actually 3 times the buying power reduction. It's just the span margin allows us to get wide on these products because you're not going to see the price of copper. In theory, you're not going to see the price of copper fluctuating ridiculous amounts like some brick and mortar game supply stores.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, so this is the trade. Beautifully within that one standard deviation expected move. I want Mr. Vaughn here to really consider giving me my Marlboro Reds 100 shirt for Christmas.
I'm waiting for you to finish so I can ask you if you want an XL or 2XL.
I'll
I
look.
feel like 2XL would be the safe route, you know?
Yeah. I could.
Because then you like a greasy motherfucker. If it's like
Yeah.
you know, you can just be
Yeah,
like,
no, XL gets a. I mean, if there's an XLT, that would fit me pretty good. If they made 1.5x, you know, I'm a big boy, but
I'm not saying you're a big boy. I'm just saying like
I'm a pretty hefty boy.
I fit into some XLs, like you know.
Yeah. And remember that one time I fit in your large? Like,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So like, you know.
Yeah. Double X will be the safe route. I can wear like some track pants, and I could slick back my hair and wear.
All right, do we want a polo shirt or a Hawaiian button up?
Wait, all right, here you gotta share your screen. I gotta see.
All right. Sorry to cut you off. I didn't mean that. I will say before you get into this, I personally love this trade, but I've been such a bad fucking trader over the last couple of months that I can't even bat an eye at commodities, at equities. Man, you know how it is, James. Like
I know it gets frustrating, man. But you just gotta go back to the roots.
Flowing. You get the dopamine flowing through the crypto markets, and you're like, holy.
You're checking the market every fucking 10 minutes.
Like, yeah, like I'm at the gym and I'm like refreshing Delta.
This is why. Okay, I'm good at identifying trends here. And I don't know if you've been getting these targeted ads because the algorithm wants me to go into a specific field different than you. I don't know if you've been getting them. Do you know who Justin Waller is?
I don't.
Okay, all right. So I've been getting them more targeted. This guy's like an Andrew Tate motherfucker.
Oh, is he like the guy that just like
ginger guy from Louisiana? He's like, yeah, Hank Steele. I'm a trade worker. This that.
Wait, what's his name? Andrew what?
His name's Justin Waller.
Justin Waller.
Jay Waller.
Jay Waller.
See him? He's ginger.
Oh, that dude. Yeah, I've seen him.
Yeah. He's like friends with Tate.
Yeah,
so I've been getting like all these targeted ads that's saying like, man, people in the trades are gonna kill it. Like 10 years down the line, like everybody's gonna be retired, nobody's gonna be doing the work. You know, I noticed that trend, and I think it's specifically targeted to me more so than you because I've been getting very specific targeted ads within that sector. And so my theory is this: I just gotta focus on getting it up there, and where was I going with this? Oh yeah, back to the original point of trading here. Just funnel that money into trading. Just got to get back to your roots. You know, there's always going to be another 8 weeks to trade. You know what I mean? Like you're always going to. It's like Mr. Sosnoff says, you see your life go by 45 days at a time.
Sure.
You were going to show me something?
Yeah. Well, first of all, this guy.
What the point? I forgot where I was going with that.
Yeah, you're just man.
You're all over the place there. I had it in my mind.
You had kind of a glow up, bro. Justin Waller played football at University of Louisiana. Yeah, pretty interesting. Anyways, all right, we gotta go back. We have to fucking discuss what I'm getting for you, Mr. Swagbag, because hold on. Let's go. Hold on, I gotta share my screen right quick. It's time for me to pay up, James. You're right. You gave me that trade. I said I was gonna buy it. Christmas is coming around the corner. All right, we got some options here. Please throw it up for us. Okay, so do we want the Marlboro Hawaiian button up? Right, we got this guy. Looks pretty good. I like this. You know, this is like Florida man's dream right here. You know, if he woke up on Christmas Day and he saw this, whew, it's good Christmas. All right. Or do we go a little more refined with the polo?
Wait, so one of them was a button down, one was a polo?
Bro, look, like this is a polo.
Sorry, I didn't see the other one too well.
This is a polo. I feel like this would stink a little, you know? Like I don't know what. Let's see what the production is. Polyester, yeah, I feel like this would be a little stanky. They have Pick Bro or Camel. Camel's pretty good. Nah, we want the Marlboro. Dude, these are pretty sweet. All right, James, you're getting the button up. It's a 4-way stretch for polyester and spandex. Oh my god, why can't you just make a fucking cotton button up, bro?